Have you been noticing sagging or sloping in your floors? This is most likely coming from an issue in your crawl space. But what really causes floors to sag? In this video, we're going to answer that question. Hi, I'm Greg. I'm a project manager with AccuLevel. Sagging floors is an indicator that your home structure is being compromised. But what's causing this issue? Let's answer that. Why are you seeing sagging floors in your home? There are a few different issues that can come up that will allow your wood to not be as good as it used to be. One of these issues might be water intrusion. If there's enough moisture in your crawl space, the floor joists will start to sag, they won't be as strong as they used to be, and then the wood fibers break down and allow things to start to drop. If there's enough water and moisture in your crawl space, the wood might start to break down to the point of deterioration where the wood just begins to start crushing and breaking apart. If there's wood harvesting insects inside the crawl space, that can also start to deteriorate the wood members and cause sagging floors. There's a lot of different reasons that the framework underneath the floor is no longer supporting the floor up above, but it's going to require an inspection. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand why your floors might be sagging or sloped. If you want to learn more about sagging floors, be sure to continue and watch the course, and be sure to like and subscribe.